Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, there is a new build for Dev channel as we talked about. I don't have the features yet that are in there, but one of them is for those that want to immediately know what's new. In the widgets, you will have access to a Game Pass widget, which will be arriving at some point, I would guess. For me, some people have it. I got a game widget, but I don't have the Game Pass one. So that will be one that will be added. So when I actually have it, I'm going to check it out because I am a Game Pass. User, so we'll be checking that out definitely when that happens. The other thing is if you have the File Explorer tabs enabled, when you click on a standard mouse, you might notice that you have a scroll wheel. If you click the scroll wheel, which is sometimes called the middle button, you will actually open a folder in a new tab in the File Explorer. And that's pretty much all that there is. I don't have tabs in File Explorer. I know we can enable it, but I'm going to keep it like that for now. Apart from that, the install went well, took less than an hour, and everything was done. Seems to work well. There is a notable thing to say here. A lot of people have been having problems with the File Explorer, all sorts of issues with the File Explorer. What they're saying is that they fixed most of the bugs that people were complaining about in File Explorer. So if you have crashes, freezes, or anything, that should be okay. For the rest, well, another one of those rather boring, dev channel builds. And this is why I think maybe having a build a month would be much better than every week. But, it depends on insiders. It depends what you ask and who you ask. Of course, by having installs every week, there's more data being sent. And maybe they can actually check that out. But, with the way that the insider rings have been happening in the last couple of years with, since Donna Sarkar, we can pretty much say the insider program went downhill when Donna Sarkar left. And that's it. And I still follow Donna Sarkar where she is now. And I mean, everywhere she goes, everything she does, it's a fun experience. You want to follow her because even if you don't do anything with whatever project she's working on, she still is fun to watch on Twitter and follow. She's, it's one of those people that she just enjoys, I guess, what she's doing and enjoys sharing with people. But right now, it's like zero information. Minda Langowski is the most boring insider leader that you can probably have. And everything is boring. So I think, Microsoft, wake up. Either, remove it, no more insider program, or do something because you're boring everybody to death. So that was my rant and my quick look at build 25174 for the insider program. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.